Has nowhere to put anything.
That's not my fault. Ask Honda for that.
It's your damn fault.
Oh, this car.
Like, I can't even like put my phone anywhere. I can't even like. It smells like dookie over here.
Oh my God! Just stop complaining.
This is ridiculous. Worst Uber I've ever freaking had.
Well, first of all, people that go on Uber don't sit in the front.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't. They sit in the back.
I've sat in the front seats of Uber.
Yeah, because back seats were taken.
Because I want to. Yeah, I have.
When? You never take Uber because you have your own car.
I take Uber all the time.
Where?
To the store, to the mall.
This is my car. I do what I want.
Not really. But you're gonna crash.
I won't crash if you feed it to me.
I'm too busy being a great co-pilot. I can't feed you when I'm too busy being a co-pilot.
Co-pilots do everything for the pilot.
Not really.
Yes, they do everything. Exactly everything.
Co-piloting is actually harder than driving.
So what if when I'm co-pilot, why do I have to do everything for the pilot?
Because I'm a different level of driving.
No. You try to get it your way. It doesn't work that way.
When I'm driving, I have a lot of things going on, and you have to do a lot of things for me. When you're driving, you're just driving. That's it. You don't worry about anything else.
What?
Here. So, earlier we got a package from Amazon, and that package was a disaster. We just got another package that I ordered. So, the last package was a freaking disaster. It literally showed up with chocolate in it. Did you see it?
Yeah.
With chocolate in it, and it was disgusting. It was used. It wasn't even new. So, let's see what's up with this.
What'd you get? What is
As you guys can hear, my camera girl today is my lovely assistant Lena. So first thing I ordered was. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What's wrong? Is she in the back?
She was.
First thing I ordered was extra batteries for that camera right there. How much fast?
Yummy.
So I got some extra batteries for this. Hopefully they work. Rav Power, they're like Amazon brand.
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's open it up and show them, right? It's so nice out today, huh?
Yeah.
So it comes with, have an issue, let us know. We had an issue earlier.
Yeah.
So I got this, it's all covered up, but 2 batteries and charger for the camera. The next thing I got is actually a book that I've been waiting for.
Wow.
Garyvee,
So weird.
crushing it. If you guys never heard of it, Garyvee, check him out. Very smart man. And this book, I read some of it already on the Kindle. It's pretty awesome, so I got the real edition. She's actually pretty good at being a camera girl. The package I was talking about earlier was I ordered this like night lamp for my mom. Well, first of all, the Amazon dude showed up blaring music out of the Amazon truck, and I was like, what the hell? Who's bumping it outside? And I went to the door and I just hear something crash into my door. I was like, what the hell's going on? I opened the door and it's my package just laying there all thrown everywhere. I'm like, all right, whatever. I bring it in. I'm like, oh, hey mom, you got the lamp I ordered you. I go, well, first of all, I see this. It's dirty. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just dirty, right? Open it, and this is what I find. Literally, chocolate, Twix, whatever, and this smashed in there. I don't know why, because that's how I'm gonna return it to them, so they know what the hell they sent me. I was laughing, but I was mad at the same time. I was like, what the hell's going on? So, I don't know. But this came in good, so that's what matters.
I want to put those on.
If you don't know who Gary Vaynerchuk is, and you want to check out his book, check it out. This is really good if you're trying to start your own business or trying to make it in social media, whatever it is, trying to make it in anything in general. A lot of good advice, a lot of good information and stories to motivate you here. Great. Pick it up. You'll learn a lot.